Hey, how's it going and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing an exciting unboxing. I have got the Costco Disney Halloween set. I'm pretty sure this was released overseas first. Also, yes, my cat is sitting on the box, which is going to be fun to deal with. But I think it was released overseas and then Australia got it in our Costco. So I'm super excited to open it up. I thought I would open it up on camera since it's Halloween related. So let's get started. The box is huge. Like, I don't even know if I can fit this in frame. Like, it's huge. So I'm gonna try and open this the best that I can. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna get this out. Oh. Okay, so at the top of the box we've got some trees. So this is what they come looking like. And then, oh my god, there's glitter and paint all over my hands. I don't think this glitter was stuck down very well. Oh no, it's like all stuck to my skin. That is not good. But you can bend the tree into the shape you want. But this is what it looks like. I just wish it wasn't so damn glittery. Then it also comes with a second tree. Then it comes with this box of little figurines. These are so cute. Okay, so we've got, I think it's either two Mickeys or it's Mickey and Minnie. And one of them is like a mummy and one of them is a pirate. And they're carrying a treasure chest with a little pumpkin on top. That's so cute. And these feel like really good quality. And it's got Disney written on the bottom. And this is such a good size as well. Like, that is such a good size. Then we've got this one here, which is a little gravestone with a spider on top and a little pumpkin. And the pumpkin's shaped like Mickey. Then we've got Mickey and Minnie. Mickey is a vampire and Minnie is a wizard. And again, it's a little like gravestone thing with a pumpkin. Then we've got, there's a Goofy. I'm really bad with the names, but he's dressed up as a mummy. This is probably my favorite. He's so cute. Okay, I couldn't be bothered going to get a knife, so I've got like a screwdriver thing. We're gonna try and get into this. Oh my god, I hate the sound of styrofoam. I don't think I've ever like bought anything from Disney before. And I'm like really impressed with this. Okay, so the first piece that comes with it, well, the first big piece is this. So it's like a little like entrance to a graveyard. It's got little pumpkin Mickeys out the front. It's got these lights. Ironically, it's like covered in something that looks like spider webs. I don't know what happened to this box, but this gate is like bent and it's not attached properly. So that's not great, but I feel like it doesn't really matter. It does have a switch on the bottom. Oh yeah, so the lights do light up. You can kind of see the lights lit up there. It's like really heavy as well and there's so much detail in it. So next up we've got this tree. It's got a little like crow on the top. It's got stones and little pumpkin down the bottom. I think this also lights up. It's kind of hard to see, but it lights up in the tree. This would look so cute at night. I'm just so impressed by all the detail. Like, it's just so realistic and so like typical Disney. Okay, so next up there's like this little street light. It's got a little pumpkin Mickey on the top. I think it's so cute. Under the Mickey there's like a little bat detail sitting on a stone. This also lights up. But again, it's gonna be really hard to see. But it does light up. It's a very faint light, but it does light up. It'll probably look better at nighttime. But this is so cute. I love this. It's so minimal, but I feel like this is probably my favorite. The paint job isn't the best on it. It's kind of peeling away in some bits, so I might need to touch that up a little bit. So that's a little bit annoying, but I still think it's cute. And yeah, this is like my first like Disney collection bits. And these are also way bigger than I thought they were gonna be. Like, oh, I did not think it was gonna be this big. So this is the second biggest piece. This is like a clock tower sort of thing. Please don't focus on my face, focus on the clock tower. That's what it looks like. There's little pumpkins out the front. There's a Mickey up the top. It goes all the way around. You could probably put like one of the figurines in here or something. I don't know, they might not, these ones might not fit, but if you have other figurines, you can probably put them in there. But oh my god, the detail and like the paint job on this is just amazing. And this does light up, so it's on the back. So it's set to a timer. Oh no, this is the one that needs batteries. So I might have to insert some footage once I get batteries for it. But it does turn on a timer. So I think that's really cool. And this is like heavy. But yeah, basically all the windows and everything lights up. Okay, now for the biggest piece. I don't even know how I'm gonna get this out by myself. Oh wait, there's like a smaller piece here. Oh my god, I completely missed this. So there's also this piece that I completely missed in the box. Again, I'm sorry, I don't know their names. Is it like Pluto or something? I'm a Disney fan, but I'm not like a huge... I don't know like these kinds of characters. I know like mainstream Disney movies, but not the classic Disney characters. But he's in like a little doghouse. Again, the texture is just unreal. Like the grass is really textured. The top of the house is really textured. It's just so freaking cute. He's got a little sword. He's dressed as a pirate. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. These are just gonna make my shelves in my living room look so much spookier. Oh, I love it. Okay, now I can really see why this was $160 because I did not think it was gonna be this big. This is what it looks like. This is the main castle. Again, I feel like on camera it doesn't look that big, but in real life it's huge. Like, I feel like this is only just gonna fit on my shelves. But this is what it looks like. Oh, I got bits of dust flying off it. So basically it's got a bunch of characters down the front. It's got... I don't know their names. Oh, I don't know their names. But he's a little duck dressed as a devil, and then you've got her dressed as a witch. There's a little hidden Mickey. There's some little ducks there. So sweet. And I just love the whole haunted house vibe. Like, this is a thing that sold me on it. I was looking for a haunted house that I can display. I feel like it's still Disney, but it's not overly like cutesy Disney. It's still got like a creepy vibe about it. And also the detail. Like, I can't stop talking about the detail. Like, that's what the characters look like. It's got little fences, a few hidden Mickeys, the top tower. This is the side. So everything, all the lights light up, but again, I don't have any batteries at the moment. There's little like cutouts. Oh my god, I just nearly dropped it. In like the roof tiling. Even the back is detailed. That's the other side. So heavy, and the quality is like, this is what I expected from Disney quality, so I don't know why I'm so surprised, but yeah, I just love it. I think it's so worth the money. I definitely recommend getting this set if you have a Costco membership, and I think it also makes noises as well. I will try and insert that footage. But I'm not one of those people that has batteries laying around. I literally never have batteries. I don't know where they go, but I swear you buy a pack of batteries and then they're just gone within like a minute. But that's pretty much it for this video. I need to go and find a place for all of these. I'm thinking of doing an updated house tour soon, so you'll see how I style all of this stuff. I'll probably do that after I finish buying things from TK Maxx. If you haven't seen that haul, make sure you check that out as well. But let me know what you think. Let me know if you have this set down below. Are you doing any Halloween shopping? I would love to know. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications as always, and I will see you next time with another video. Bye!